Hey 30-minute marketers. Today's video we're going to be talking about Thrive Architect and doing a Thrive themes tutorial and showing a new feature called distraction free writing mode. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, check out the link in the description and in the pinned first comment for a step-by-step blueprint to build your online business starting today. And remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And today's focus again is inside the WordPress dashboard. Now typically when we're talking about architect, we're talking about architect and we're talking about building pages. But today we're going to be talking about a new feature, and we're going to be showing this new feature inside of Post. We're going to click here and add a new post. We're going to name that post Distraction Free Writing Mode. Go ahead and save that as a draft. And typically at this point you would start writing or typing right here inside of a block. And your block options inside the new Gutenberg are your paragraph, your image, your foo gallery, headings, gallery, depending on plugins that you have installed. But the basic idea here is the paragraph block. So this is a paragraph block, and this is the normal way that you would write a post. And then you have all the options inside of Gutenberg. For example, your bold, your italics, your italicized, your italics, your links right here. But a little known feature about Thrive Architect is that you can actually use Thrive Architect to write blog posts. And that's where this new feature, Distraction Free Writing Mode, is going to come in the most handy, because you'll be putting or adding lots of text to a blog post inside of the post itself. And to demonstrate that, we'll go ahead and we'll launch Thrive Architect. And again, this is Thrive Architect inside of a blog post. So you'll see it looks a little different up here. Instead of a page, you'll see that it's a post up in the breadcrumbs. And then here we have our heading. And if we want to, everything you see here, you have your elements and you have your settings. Now you do not have the ability to change the theme because this is a blog post, but you have all your elements readily available for you. And we'll go ahead and we'll add a text box. And as you can see right here, when you add a text box, this is a text box versus the paragraph block that you see inside of the WordPress editor. But it's the same concept. But as you can see right here, you have this green box around it. So as you're typing, you have this box. Now that may be a distraction to some people. For example, if you're used to working in Google Docs, you just have a blank screen typically. Like if you're using Word or Google Docs, you don't have this green box. So what they've done is they've created a distraction free writing mode, and you simply go up to these three dots right here, ... and you toggle from normal mode to distraction free mode. And as you can see right there, the box went away. The green box has gone away. So you're free to edit as you see fit right there. And then of course you can drag and drop right there. So if you were to insert an image into the post right there, you can see that the text box has still gone away. So you no longer have that distracting green box if it is a distraction to you. But if it's not and you want to turn it back on, you just simply go back up here, go back to normal mode, and the box is back with all the options to move this box. Say you want to move it down below here, below the image. Now you have the capability, or if you want to copy it, all the controls are right there. That is the distraction free writing mode inside of Thrive Architect, or that is where most people will wind up using this feature, because it will give you the distraction free canvas to type in, and then you'll be able to toggle that as you need it. And that's what I wanted to show you today. So go ahead, don't forget, check the link in the first comment for the simple step-by-step blueprint to start in your own online business today. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. Check out the 30-minute timer here on the screen and the other video. That will be awesome, just like this one was. And I will talk to you later. Bye.